When someone has a stroke, a bit of their brain dies. Some of the connections that allow them to move the parts of their body are lost. Their muscles often still have the ability to send weak signals. If we could pick up on those signals and just give the muscles and nerves a little help, it'll just be like an external set of muscles and nerves. The device is 2 sets of electrodes that are attached to different muscles of the arm, and they receive the electrical signals from the muscles. Right now, we're focusing on the signal processing. The construction of the actual device will come later. We hope that this device will enable the stroke patients to regain the fine motor function in their hands and be able to independently do all the tasks they were accustomed to before they had their stroke in a relatively inexpensive and convenient wearable device. It's fairly easy to move a motor based on signals. It's what you do with the signals that matters.